Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we're going to talk about the word enhance. One more time, the word is enhance. Enhance is a verb and it means to make better or improve. Enhance is a verb and it means to make better or improve. So that we can better understand the meaning of the word enhance, let's check out some example sentences. Example number 1. We should always look for ways to enhance our existing products. We should always look for ways to enhance our existing products. Example number 2. The company enhanced their workflows, which resulted in increased productivity. The company enhanced their workflows, which resulted in increased productivity. Hey friend, if you like learning English words with me, please click that like button. It means a lot to me if you could do that. Not only is it important that we understand what a word means, but it's also important that we know how to pronounce the word properly. I will repeat the word 3 times, and after I say the word, I want you to repeat it after me. Enhance. 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 Hey, check out the bottom of the screen to see how many syllables are in the word enhance and also a phonetic spelling. Hey friend, thanks for stopping by. I hope my videos enhance your English learning so that you can learn better. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video and check out my recommended videos so we can learn more English words together.